This is Andy Hudgens with Historic Window Works of Georgia. If your home was built in 1940 or before, you have the highest quality of window product that's available. If you're considering removing your 1940s windows, you're doing your home's value, you're doing your neighborhood a huge disservice. Window manufacturers, new window manufacturers, design their products to have a very short lifespan. 8, 10, 12 years. At that point, they hope that you buy from them again. Your original products are 100 years old and they've lasted quite well that amount of time already. And with the proper maintenance, with the proper tune-up, or with a good total renovation, your windows can perform like they did when they were installed. If you're interested in your sash looking like these, without the whiting of course, please reach out to us. Find us on Facebook at Historic Window Works of Georgia. Hope to hear from you soon.